So in today's video, we are going to be doing another unboxing. It is a Kosei or Kosei. I don't know really actually how to pronounce it. I have ordered two. One was a graphic shirt unboxing, which I'm sure has already been posted. This is a vintage sweaters box. So I really love selling vintage. I would not classify myself as like a huge vintage reseller, but you know, I kind of just pick up things that interest me and I think that someone else will love. And my favorite thing to pick up vintage wise is vintage sweaters. I love picking them up. I love keeping them for myself. Unfortunately, I live in South Georgia, so I don't get to wear them because it's hot, but I still pick them up. But when I saw this box, I was really interested to see what kind of sweaters I could get. This is a box of 20 vintage sweaters. Could be male or female sweaters. Probably list them all as female though. It took a while to come. The graphic t-shirt one came pretty quickly, but I ordered the vintage sweaters one first and it came like 2 weeks after the graphic t-shirts. It did, I think it cost $144, but that was with a bit of a discount. I used a reseller from Instagram's discount code. I can't even remember who it was. And that did give me a little bit of a discount. I'm sure it gave them a little bit of a kickback. That was fine. I just wanted to have to pay less money. So with that discount, my cost of goods is $7.20, which is slightly higher than I likely would have paid here, you know, looking for them. But I don't really often find like great vintage sweaters. So I wanted to see, you know, what I could order online. And I have to say, I don't think I ever did an unboxing of it on my channel, but I did do like a half pallet order of vintage clothing items from Joe Mar. And it was one of my favorite things that I ever got from them. So I kind of like to see what I can get vintage wise. All right, so I already like cut the box open, but I have not looked in it. So let's go ahead. I'm not really excited about this first one because it's just a plain sweatshirt. It's just a yellow, bright yellow sweatshirt. It is a Lee sweatshirt, 95 cotton, cross grain, which maybe that would mean something more significant. Like people like certain types of sweaters. I don't really know about that kind, but I'll look it up. It's like a fun color though, and it's really oversized, so I like that. Ooh, I'm liking this. It's like a blanket. This is something I can't read. Well, it says something artisans, made in Ecuador. Oh, yeah. Fun fact, I lived in Ecuador. Oh, Otavalo. Oh, it's made in Otavalo. So it's made in Otavalo, Ecuador. So this is a town in the Sierra of Ecuador, in northern Ecuador, where they have like a market pretty much every weekend. It's really good for selling to tourists. They have a lot of blankets and jackets and knit stuff. So anyway, this looks like somebody from a factory made it, but it's just a big kind of like zip up jacket. And it appears to be llamas. Is it llamas? Yeah. Or no. What am I thinking of? No, are they llamas? Yes, I think those are llamas. Anyway, sorry. Moving on. It is nice. I'm not sure this is vintage though, is it? Did they just think it was vintage because it's made in another country? But I don't think it's vintage because I'm not sure Ecuador, you know, 20 years ago had something like this, like a production. I have to look that up. But anyway, does it have a care tag? Doesn't appear to have a care tag either. So I don't know what it's made out of. Unless it was on that and I just didn't see it. Anyway, I'm just pretty sure that's not vintage. Just based on my knowledge of Ecuador, but maybe, I could be wrong. All right, then we have a Villanova sweater. And Villanova is a university right outside of Philadelphia, which I'm pretty sure this company is in Philadelphia. I know Jamar is. Tribal End League, I mean, it could do okay. Would I have picked it up in the store? No, but it could still be okay. So far, so a little bit disappointing. Okay, so this is from Udich, Uptown, Downtown, Switzerland. And that's what it says on it, but it's also the company. It's kind of got a cool feel to it. I guess when they say vintage sweaters, they meant like sweatshirts. It is an extra large. I mean, these are in fairly good condition considering they're supposedly vintage, but I'm just really curious to see if some of these are vintage. Okay. I mean, that first one was, but I don't know about these other ones. All right, another college sweatshirt. This one is Georgetown. Fun fact, Georgetown Law School is the first law school I ever got into. Not when I went to, but I did get in. Okay, this is kind of cool and probably should list soon for 4th of July. Sugar Street Weavers. I think this is definitely vintage. 100% cotton, made in the US, one size, and it is a flag sweater. So yeah, that's cool. That's definitely vintage. I can tell by the tag. Okay, I got a lot of USA stuff. So this is Liz Claiborne. Definitely a vintage tag of Liz Claiborne. And it's just a USA pullover. Liz Claiborne does have sport, but I've really never seen anything that looks kind of like that. Anyway, that's cool. What are you? You look like the Golden Monkeys. You're not, you're lying. Sears Honors College. Okay, scholarly achievement. Kind of like some like college campus stuff. That's interesting. Oh, what's on the back here? What we do for ourselves dies with us. What we do for others in the world remains, and it is immortal. Yeah. Okay. I mean, not only really if you do it on a large scale, but anyway. Okay, Woolrich. So, you know, I still pick up Woolrich now. That is definitely a vintage tag of Woolrich. And it's just this sweater. It's like actually really nice, super itchy on me. As you know, if you follow me for a while, I am allergic to wool. I don't know what size it is, so I can't tell you if it's shrunk or not. It feels kind of shrunken, like it's tight. So we'll see. All right, JB Buck Gear, and it's just like a rugby kind of sweater looking. Yeah. You know, unless there's something... Okay, well, I like this. Okay, I was about to say, I was like, unless there's something brand-wise I just don't know is good, I'm not really excited, but I like this. So this is vintage. It doesn't have the brand labels ripped out, but look at this pink. Look at this. With the snowflakes on it. Oh, you know, I don't really like turtlenecks, so I probably won't keep it, but if I wasn't turtleneck, it was a crew neck, I might have kept this. It's very cool. Okay, I like that. All right, that I like that one. This I guess could be exciting. So this is Versace. Versace Classic V2. I don't know what any of that means. I know who Versace is, but I don't know what those other words mean for the company. Could be, you know, a different line. Feels like wool. It is just a black sweater. That's why I'm fading out. 100% pure wool. Made in Italy. It should be. It's Versace. But so that's cool. That's a good one. This looks neat. I like this. Okay. This is Lehman. I feel like I've heard that. But anyway, look at this sweater. Love it. I'm more excited about this than the Versace. What is this? Made in Korea. It's itchy too. I'm already itching. But anyway, this is cool. I like that. Look at it's like beaded and sequined and embroidered. I love it. Okay, that's fun. That's fun vintage. What we got? Okay. Oh, this is cute. Very cottagecore. You know, here's, you know, you've seen this brand at the thrift store and probably said you'll never pick it up. But my exceptions with this brand is vintage items. Alfred Dunner, size large. Look at this. Look at this little slice of heaven. I love this. This is awesome. Okay, this will be really cool for somebody. It's like a kind of like a, well, no, this is gingham. I would have said stitch light, but no, it's gingham print, floral. I mean, that's awesome. You can use that. A lot of keywords for that. Miller, made in Ireland. Okay, so Irish knit sweaters do pretty well. Like I just saw it was like Icelandic Irish sweater, which was of course wool. They're always usually wool. So for like 120 bucks. So that's exciting. This should do really well. It is a button cardigan, so that's nice. Okay, just a couple things. Oh, so finally I just was talking about this. I also have this brand in my closet right now, Erin Crafts Ireland wool. So yeah, made in Ireland, 100% wool. This is, oh, it's just like a cool, I mean, what would this be, like a shrug? No, well, yeah, kind of, because it like buttons here, so it's like a poncho, but a more stylish one. Oh, this wool. Okay. Victory Dry Goods, made in the US. Oh, what's that tag? That tag's awesome. They don't make good tags anymore. Again, just like a knit sweater. Potentially has some wool in it. Itchy. Okay, this is sparkly. All right. Diane Marco, made in Hong Kong. Silk, nylon, Angora, which is rabbit hair, and lamb's wool. Good materials. Very sequinedy little top. That's cool. Oh, all right. I'm liking this last one. Not this one, but the last one. Last one looks good. I'm gonna save it. Undershirt, man's winter lightweight natural wool cotton. This looks like kind of like those shirts they used to issue in the military, which is could be. I don't know. Or I don't know. Like, you've seen it on like TV shows. Is there a spot? I think. But, you know, they're actually really in good condition for vintage items. Okay, this last one looks really good. Okay, so retrospective, which I've seen in the store, size small. Look at this. Look at this knit. Look at this grandma core knit. I love that. With these like baggy little sleeves. I love it. Okay, so this will do well, I think. All right, okay, well, I'm gonna count, make sure there's 20 pieces. Okay, so there were 20 pieces in that box. I definitely think I can make my money back with this box and probably even get a profit off of it. You know, we were off to a rocky start there, but I did end up liking a lot of those sweaters. So anyway, guys, have you tried out Kosei? Is there a particular box that you enjoyed or that you found really profitable? If so, leave it down in the comments, because you know I always like to buy boxes and do unboxings here on this channel. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up button. Lets me know. Go ahead and give me a follow so you can come back and see more of my videos. But otherwise, guys, I hope you're having a good sales week, and I will see you next time. Bye.